Well, that's the last of our second time calvers. May 6th today, I think. 107J. And she had a little girl that looks just like her. One black spot opposite side of the face on her head, around her eye. So if mom's got one black eye, one white eye. Her mom black eye is on the right side. And baby, from what I can see, her black eye is on the left side. And she's obviously on. Good. Let's check the rest of them. Alrighty, so what have we got going on here? And she finally calved. So this cow here, she's the mama to our red brockle-faced bull that we held back. And this is a red-white face. Now, is it a bull? It's a heifer. That's a Max baby. So she's done. Orange 14. Nice. I'm gonna assume that baby has been on, because he's quite comfortable where he is. That wind could piss off, but it's blowing in moisture. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. We're supposed to be getting a bunch of rain starting here about noon or so. Hey, you little nose lickers. There's that little fart. I still need to tag this guy out and put a ring on his nuts and make him from a bull to a steer. But he sucks he goes to mom every hour and a half or so and sucks her down, which is fine. Anyway, I need to get my butt to wood country and pick up some lumber. I thought I had 2x6 10 foots and 12 foots, but after checking my inventory, I found out I was empty on it. So let's get over there. We'll talk to y'all later. New back wall. New but old. Very old metal cladding that I bought 15, 18 years ago at some auction sale for next to nothing. And the plan was to put it on the back wall of the shelter. And that never happened. So we got all new 2x4. This time it's all treated, top and bottom. Top board up there, bottom board. Reinforced the front wall with more 2x4. And, well, the slabs are still on either end. But if you guys remember, this is the shelter that the piggies were in, and the back wall completely rotted away and got destroyed by the piggies. So
I need something to put here.
You need a slab or something to put there.
Somebody will get their head stuck. Calf.
And I guarantee it would be one of your calves, because they're just that way. And it's been raining consistently for the last while, actually. You hiding under the tractor there, Moki? Come on. She didn't like being in the shop with me cutting metal with the noise of the saw. So, but yeah, I don't know how much we've had, but for the last hour and a half, roughly, it's just been a steady rain. It's nice. Right on. Later, guys. Let you go. Yeah, it's really coming down again. We're getting the moisture now, boys and girls. We're getting the moisture now. Alrighty, guys, so just to give the calves someplace to go to get out of the rain constantly, we decided to bring that calf shelter that we fixed yesterday out here. Maybe they'll use it. They have the option. Maybe they won't. Hard to say. But they've got the option where they can use it. If I bring a bunch of salt and mineral out, they'll throw it in there. Then the calves will go in there. They've got salt and mineral out here already, and if I grab it and put it inside there, they might go in there. Hard to say, but then the cows won't have access to it. Anyways, fun. I have no idea what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. I know I'm not fencing in the rain.
Why?
No.
Oh, you're so grumpy when it comes to fencing.
No, I'm not fencing in the rain.
That's why it's my job.
Hey, I don't get grumpy about fencing. No.
The only time you don't get grumpy when we're fencing is if I'm naked.
Well, who would be grumpy if she's naked, right?
Yeah.
You gonna go fencing naked in the rain?
Not in the rain.
Oh, okay. See, she won't even go fencing in the rain, so why should I?
I'll go fencing in the rain, but not naked.
Well, I'm not going fencing today in the rain. Sorry, babe.
Muffin.
It's Sunday. Okay.
What? No,
it's
not.
Tuesday.
It's his Sunday.
But it's our Sunday. And what the hell is that? Just a rock of some sort. Anyway, and yeah, you guys go check out Piper Doug on YouTube. I'm giving him a big shout out here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to Piper Doug's channel. He's kind of going through the same shit that we are with all the rain. In his case, he's had a lot more than we have, almost double or triple what we've had. Here, we're mucky as heck right now, but
well, he is too.
But he's really muddy also. And so all the fun and games of raising cattle in the muck. So anyway.
Yeah. See?
I ain't saying it. I'm not saying it, but that's a gate. Love ya. I yesterday went and picked up our chemical for spraying out in the pastures, all those suckering sapling trees and buckbrush, and picked up the chemical for all of our land at home. And wouldn't you figure, 20 acres of Pasture chemical, costs a lot more than 120 acres of spring pre-burn-off chemical. It's like $100 an acre for the pasture stuff. It is frigging expensive. Here she comes, here she comes. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. We'll catch y'all later. Morning, everybody. How the hell you doing this morning? Mocha dogs. I'm gonna turn you around. Sun is shining. Grass wants to grow. Things are nice and green. Cows and calves. So in this group here is 25 head. Of that 25 head, there's like 7 left to calve. And here within the next couple of days, I'm going to be kicking those 7 out along with a couple other cow-calf pairs. They're going to be going out that way. And they can calve on pasture. They're all older cows and they should be fine to do it on their own. So, and actually there's a couple of them I'm almost not sure if they are even pregnant. What happened? They're all tested pregnant, but they're not. If they're pregnant, it's not going to be for a while. Anywho, so yeah, that's where we're at this point. We haven't hit our 60-day window yet. We got another roughly 10 days before we hit our 60-day window. So, or 60-day calving period. So I guess that ain't so bad, and everybody always ends up with a few lates. How's that sound? Anywho, I got a couple other things I got to get done here right away, and we'll bring you guys back a little bit later. Go on, get out of here. Hey, shh. Two more pairs gone, and 7 cows that need to calve yet. Go and find out what the real world is like, you little guys. My gate girl.
Yeah. I think I'm wearing your gloves.
You what?
I think I'm wearing your gloves.
I think you are. They're a little big for you.
Yeah, mine is soaked from yesterday.
So now we are able to sort these girls off just through our little gate right here. So for everybody else with cow-calf pairs, we're gonna have to get them in the corral and sort them from the corral out. So that should be interesting.
66.
It's not 66, it's 71.
Now.
The calf is green 71.
No, the mom. Original.
The mom is 66. She's not 666. Yes, that's her right there. We could try.
She won't pop her tail, everybody else.
Now, if her calf will come, that'd be awesome. He's hanging back, the little bastard. Just take my time. Hopefully he'll beeline it for his mother. Her mother, because it's a heifer. Yeah, of course. She's gonna run the total wrong direction. Yep. There she goes. Right to the corral. Okay, I'll bring you guys back later. There. And that's 6 more out. Pairs. So that's going to change things drastically with our feeding situation. Your next buddy for next winter, right there. Their moms will come back and pick these two up.
That black cow's gonna go on the truck.
The who?
That black one.
So, anyway, catch you guys later. Alrighty, that's 5 more. Separated and going to the pasture where their respected bulls would be. Excuse me. So, if some of you guys remember, I was saying how the windbreak corral is the max corral, but it was also our kind of our calving area. So these are all our second time calving mamas, except for the one red one. She was a new girl that we pulled the calf from, that big monster. So now there's 15 out in this corral, or paddock pasture / corral. There's 15 out there for max, because we pulled 10 cow-calf pairs out of here, roughly, and 7 cows that hadn't calved yet, and we put them out there in pasture. So, what a sloppy, mucky mess. That's what happens when you get a couple 2.5 type inches of rain over 4 or 5 days. Everything soaks in really good, and then wherever you have manure, it turns to muck. But anyways, so we got 5 more calf pairs to put out there with the max herd, and that'll give us 20 pairs with max and 20 pairs with sheriff, and they all go to rented land. Alrighty, talk to you guys later.